Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I've been getting a lot lately from my viewers: how long can Wealthsimple hold my money? This is a great question, and one that I think a lot of people are wondering about. Wealthsimple is a great investment platform, but it's important to understand how it works before you invest your money. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how long can Wealthsimple hold my money, and I'm also going to discuss some of the pros and cons of using Wealthsimple. What is Wealthsimple? Before we get into the specifics of how long Wealthsimple can hold your money, let's first talk about what Wealthsimple is. Wealthsimple is a Canadian financial technology company that offers a variety of investment products and services. It was founded in 2014 and has quickly become one of the most popular investment platforms in Canada. Wealthsimple offers a number of different investment products, including Wealthsimple Basic. This is a basic investment account that allows you to invest in a variety of stocks and ETFs. Wealthsimple Trade. This is a brokerage account that allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, and options. Wealthsimple Crypto. This is an account that allows you to invest in cryptocurrency. Wealthsimple Tax. This is a tax service that can help you file your taxes. Wealthsimple also offers a number of other services, such as Wealthsimple Tax. This is a tax service that can help you file your taxes. Wealthsimple Cash. This is a banking account that allows you to send and receive money. Wealthsimple Invest. This is a robo-advisor that can help you create a personalized investment portfolio. Wealthsimple is a great company with a lot to offer. However, it's important to understand how it works before you invest your money. How long can Wealthsimple hold my money? Now that we know what Wealthsimple is, let's talk about how long it can hold your money. The answer to this question depends on a number of factors, including the type of account you have. If you have a Wealthsimple Basic account, your money is held in a brokerage account. This means that you can withdraw your money at any time. If you have a Wealthsimple Trade account, your money is held in a margin account. This means that you can withdraw your money at any time, but you may be subject to a margin call if your account balance falls below a certain level. The type of investment you have. If you have invested in a mutual fund or ETF, your money is held in a pooled investment fund. This means that you cannot withdraw your money immediately. You will need to sell your shares in the fund before you can withdraw your money. The rules and regulations of your country. In some countries, there may be restrictions on how long a financial institution can hold your money. In general, Wealthsimple can hold your money for as long as you want. However, there may be some circumstances in which Wealthsimple may need to hold your money for a longer period of time. For example, if you are being investigated by the authorities, Wealthsimple may be required to hold your money until the investigation is complete. Pros and cons of using Wealthsimple. Now that we know how long Wealthsimple can hold your money, let's discuss some of the pros and cons of using Wealthsimple. Pros. Easy to use. Wealthsimple is a very user-friendly platform. It's easy to set up an account and start investing. Low fees. Wealthsimple has some of the lowest fees in the industry. Variety of investment products. Wealthsimple offers a variety of investment products, including stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Great customer service. Wealthsimple has a great customer service team that is always available to help you. Cons. Limited investment options. Wealthsimple doesn't offer as many investment options as some other investment platforms. Not suitable for everyone. Wealthsimple is not a good choice for everyone. If you are looking for a more complex investment platform, you may want to consider another option. Wealthsimple is a great investment platform with a lot to offer. However, it's important to understand how it works before you invest your money. In this video, we have discussed how long Wealthsimple can hold your money and some of the pros and cons of using Wealthsimple. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.